Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to the endorsement in this video, Dairy Queen Royal Reese's FLUFFERNUTTER Blizzard review, the endorsement. This is the new one that he uploaded yesterday, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize. I will take care of them. Sorry, I had an itch right there. Sorry about that, everybody. Sorry. Now let's get to this video.
All right, if you know how much these Dairy Queen Blizzard reviews are just like a little pain in my side. The blizzards melt so much, and shout out to Dairy Queen because they fill it over the top. So I had to do some quick thinking, and I did it. So right here, you saw the thumbnail. I didn't know I'd be going back so soon, but I am excited to try this because the FLUFFERNUTTER sandwich goes back to my childhood. I love the FLUFFERNUTTER sandwich, peanut butter and fluff on white bread. There's no substitutions. Let's see how it translates in blizzard form. Cue the intro. What is up, everyone? It is the endorsement, and it is time for another review. This is where I try something and tell you if you should like it or not. I can be very persuasive. Got the napkins on deck. Make sure you get the napkins on deck over here at DQ when you get a blizzard, because they do the little tip over, and then they go over the top with it. So let's just cover it up because we're going to have possible messiness going on. All right, so here we go. The soft serve with Reese's peanut butter cups, my usual go-to topping in a blizzard. Then you're going to have peanut butter drizzle or peanut butter, some type of peanut butter creamy concoction, as well as fluff core. So if you slice this down, there is a marshmallow fluff core in the center of it. I better get it. Looks like a decent amount of the Reese's. Let's just kind of go on top right now. There we go right here. Wish me luck. Oh, it's the Reese's peanut butter cups. But definitely, I can see it in here. It's like a swirl of like peanut butter. Trying to see how much topping was in here. I almost ordered extra topping for 89 cents, and then I'm like, no, I'm already spending $786, exaggeration, on this blizzard. This is a small, and it was $5.59. $5.59.
Wow.
So here we go. Let me see if I can get you up close and personal with one of those right here. Let's go later in the day. There you go. You can see like a tint to the ice cream. It's not just vanilla. There definitely is some peanut butter swirl going on. Top tier Reese's peanut butter. I'm going to try to go right in the middle right here. Probably not going to be able to see it. But if that is a core, it's just melting. How do you see the core? How do you see the marshmallow core? Do you see it? Whoa. Little spillage. All right, so I didn't get any there. I want the marshmallow. Trying to go right down the center right there. Dripping off the backpack. Dripping off the backpack. That's why these these blizzard reviews are always extra napkins. Make sure the nether region is covered. And yeah, sorry, I'm moving the camera all around. I got to stop that drip because now I got extra cleanup. Now the camera's all over the place. Well, this is just such a rookie review. All right. I'm torn. Decent amount of filling for the Reese's. Nice flavor of peanut butter with whatever they're swirling in there, but I'm not getting the fluff of the FLUFFERNUTTER. Go way down to the bottom. It's got to be in there. Oh, man. A little disappointed. Yeah. I don't know. Looking around, but marshmallow fluff is white. So it's just going to kind of blend in. And if this is melting at a record pace, there's never, in my mind, I know that when I was a kid, even a young adult, even in my 20s, early 20s, I get a blizzard, it never melts like this. I got out of the drive-thru, came right into this spot, put up the camera and filmed, and it was already soup. Already soup. I say it in every video, but whenever they come out with these new flavors, one that gravitates to me like FLUFFERNUTTER, I just love saying FLUFFERNUTTER, I have to go try it, and after I try it, I'm usually disappointed. Do you know what my go-to is? I said it in my last Dairy Queen review. Ooh, what my go-to blizzard is. I'll let you think about that for a minute, and then I'll tell you. I'm getting nope. I tried. Did they not put the core in? How do you put the core in? How's there a core of marshmallow in this? All right, so maybe it's mixed in. Maybe some of those bites were a little bit on the marshmallow side of things, but definitely disappointed. So my go-to, I would normally get, before they raise the prices to the stratosphere, I would get a medium blizzard with chocolate ice cream, Reese's peanut butter cup, add cookie dough. Reese's peanut butter cup.
Hold on, everyone. I need a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody.
Cup, cookie dough, chocolate ice cream, blizzard, sign me up all day, done deal. I mean, that's what it is. All right, so listen, before I give it a rating, I wanted to let you know you're going to be seeing this video on September 1st. I have officially launched YouTube memberships, $9.99 a month. You get just about everything that the memberships have to offer. If you missed the reason why, I will have the membership video, announcement video, linked at the end of this video. In a nutshell, YouTube, behind the scenes, the revenue sides of things, I gotta try something over the next month or two to maybe offset whatever YouTube's doing. So I brought you memberships. It's live. Click the join button and sign up, and you get a bunch of extras that the normal viewer does not get. So there you go. That's the little spiel on the memberships. This from 1 to 100 gets a solid 82, and I dropped it because come on.
Wow.
Come on. If you're billing it as FLUFFERNUTTER, and okay, let me tell you too, if people out there don't know FLUFFERNUTTER, because that's old school, peanut butter and fluff. If you're not familiar with fluff, comes in the package. I actually did a video, Jet Puff.
Sorry, I had an itch right there. Sorry, everybody. And I had an itch right there. Sorry about that, everybody.
Versus fluff, and no. There's no comparison. Don't put Jet Puff with peanut butter on the bread and call that a FLUFFERNUTTER, because it's not in the name. Fluff's got to be in the name. I'm done talking. So there you go. Another review in the books. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, please do not forget to check me out on Instagram and Twitter. That is social media, getting the word of my channel out to the masses. In closing, disappointment, check out YouTube memberships, help support the channel if you can. It's not mandatory. I would very much appreciate it while I try to sort things out. Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you soon with some more reviews. Bye.
awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. Sorry, I had an itch on my nose. Sorry about that, everybody. And I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my main channel or my second channel or to the endorsements channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And on my main channel, we are on the road to 8,000 subscribers. And on my second channel, we are on the road to 4,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlists, on both my main channel and my second channel, and give them a thumbs up, and share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 8,000 subscribers or more on my main channel and 4,000 subscribers or more on my second channel too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate that too. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my main channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the two playlists that are on my main channel, and give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I would really definitely appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my main. Please help me bring my subscriber count up on my main channel as well. Also, please, everybody, I would really definitely appreciate that too. Please, everybody, please, please, everybody, please, please help me out here. Please, everybody, please, please, everybody, please. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.